Okay, February 4th, 2026. Coming back, here is Astro Excel for the month ahead. We peek out today on the 4th. Notice the note by my cursor. The green line, all planets, date 2/4. At 1 p.m. that peaks at the value of 2825. I'm going to give the peaks and valleys. Notice the whole month is pretty much above the 0 line, and a good chunk of the month is above the 10 line. Got this low here on 2/5, 1400, a peak 2/6, 1800, a low on the 7th, 1500, peaking at the 20 line on the 9th at 2 a.m. Sharp move down to the 11th, 6 a.m. Peak above plus 10 on the 12th at 9 a.m. Moving down to a little double bottom on the 16th and the 15th and the 16th. Peaking on the 17th, 9 a.m. Another bottom on the 19th at noon. High on the 20th, 9 a.m. Pushing down to the 21st at noon. 222, a high at 1900. Moving down to a wide bottom on the 25th, 26th. Back to a plus 20 peak on the 27th at 8 p.m. and then down into March 2nd at the end of the day. Let's take a look at the weekly chart as well here. You can see we're above the 10 line until tomorrow at 6 a.m. and we're still above 0 for the whole week. So we're pretty much bullish tendency. Look for these peaks and valleys to be swing points. We can get down moves in the down section. Remember, always look for the alignment on the blue line and green line. The blue line peaks for the rest of the week. We've got this bottom here at 1900 tonight. Not many outside the 10 lines. We've got this one tomorrow on the 5th at noon. This one at 20. And then on Friday, we've just got this one spike peak, but it's after the close at 1800. So there's your look at the Astro Excel for the month of February and for the current week.